Welcome you back again to another video lecture on Python programming, and in this video lecture we'll go ahead and create a simple project that will help us to replace list items with 0, 1 and -1. So we're going to replace that using -1, 0 and 1. I think that is the best thing to say. Now what it means is that any place you see a value of a positive number, it will replace with 1, and any place you see a value of 0, it will replace with 0. Any place you see a value of negative number, it will be replaced with -1. Let's go ahead and we'll go ahead and create an object. I'm going to call that, let's call that list item. Okay, so list item, and let that be equal to an array of 6, 8, 9, -2, 0, 1, -3, 5, 8, 0, -6. How many is that? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so that is that for now. Let's go ahead and print out list items. Go ahead and print out list item. So that will be printed out for us. And now we go ahead and use a for loop and say for i in range of the length of that. So for the length of list item, for I in range of list item, then we go ahead and say if list item with the value of I is greater than 0. If list item with the value of I is greater than 0, that is, if the element with the index I is greater than 0, then it's going to be replaced with 1. Okay, so let's go ahead and say list item value of I is going to be equal to 1, then else if we go ahead and say, oh, that is too close, list item with the value of I. So list item with the value of I is less than 0. So then go ahead and replace that. So list item with the value of I is equal to -1. Okay, so else list item with the value of I, replace that with equal to 0. Okay, now let's go ahead and print out list item. Now if we run this code, let's go ahead and run that and check it out. And let's check it out. Can you see that 6 is 1, 8 is 1, 9 is 1, -2 is -1, 0 is 0, 1 is 1, 3 is replaced with -1, 5 is replaced with 1, 8 is 1, 0 is 0, and -6 is replaced with 1. Can that be really possible? Yes, it is. Go ahead and put this down in your system. The code is just ready before you. Put it down and play around with it, and in case if you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.